Okay, now I got to the cat's place. Look at it. That's Hugh. And he's trying to reach the camera. You see? He's playing. And I don't know who is it? Who are you? I think that's Catherine. There's another one there, and another one there, and another one there, another one there. One is staring at me through the window. Yeah, that's you saying hello. Okay, we have kittens. Hey, kitten, 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 kitten. Yeah, that's you. Look, that's you. Being completely entertained. Look, entertained. I'm entertained. I think that's Catherine. And that's Oren. Oren? Oren? Shh. Oren, say hi to the camera, honey. They're really, really, really nice. Okay. So let's see the others. Okay? We have... Who are you? Shh. Okay, this is not the craziest cat ever. I got confused. You know, check this too. They're siblings. You know, and there is Oren. Oren. He's trying to get a camera. Look at the camera, baby. Hey, camera, honey. And those are the kittens. Say hi to the camera. He got scared. Okay, this is Pushkin. Pushkin. Hey, honey. He's not really up to cameras. That's a lazy cat. And now we see they're playing with a box. It's a bird box. See, now comes another one. Oh, we have a sleeping kitten. This is Natasha. I recognize her. Yeah, I do. Look, the area is amazing. We have this wood so they can climb to the kitchen window. Oh, and look at this cat. This is the bathroom window when it's on the outside. But it's like sleeping, you know, it's completely comfortable. Like after 2 hours, I don't know how long it's there, but it is, and it looks completely, I don't know, entertained and comfortable and stuff. This baby is pushing the box. I don't know why. They get retarded sometimes. But I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Look how they play. They're really, really sweet. Aren't they? Yeah. So, this is my lazy black fat cat. Hey, look at the cameraman. Okay, those were fireworks, and that's not cool because it scares them to hell. You can hear dogs barking. That's another cat. It's a kitten, actually. And there's another one right there, eating. See? Oh, and there's one here, hanging, guys. It's hanging. Look. It is completely asleep. Can you see that? How can a human being sleep? Okay, it's not a human being, but it's sleeping. Let's say hi to Oren again. Hey, Oren. Hey. Hey. Yeah, and he's sweet. And we have this one too. And when I start, you know, running my hands over them, they get jealous. And they all come at the same time and they want my hands, but I just have 2 hands. So. Okay, here comes Pushkin. That's our Russian cat. He's my favorite. I mean, he's the most beautiful one. Pushkin! Pushkin! Okay. Okay, cats are fun, aren't they? Look, Oren. Oren? Eating and licking his own paw. Right? Lazy. Lazy. Okay, this is Catherine. You can see me yawning? Hey, this is my black lady. Hey, 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 hey. She's amazing, she's incredible. Every time I get like the camera close to them, the little string of the camera, look, he's jealous, he's possessive. I can't play with any other cat without him, you know? Bless you. Without him following me and stuff. Right? And that's a cute scene. Look at that. Don't stop, honey. Keep going. Okay. Putzkin, enjoy the camera. Hey, Putzkin. Yay, that's my baby cat, yeah. That's my baby, isn't it? Hmm? That's my baby. That's my baby. Yeah, right. Yeah. Look, they walk around, you know, they climb, they turn. And they're really cool. Look at that. Look at Mama, look at. Yeah. It's camera, honey. You know what he wants? He wants to be pampered. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay, now he's climbing me. You see? He's climbing me. Yeah. I'm so sweet. Yeah. He gave Mama a kiss. Yeah. That's right. That's right. Don't hit the camera with your head, baby. Don't do that. He's playing with the string. That's, say, look. Look. Pushkin. Okay, he's gone. Look at this lazy pal here. Look. That's what I'm playing with the string. Look at the string. Look at the string. Yeah, get the string. Get the string. Wee, you got the camera string, baby. Okay, now let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. But they are really nice. See? Oh, he got it. Oh my God, let it go. Yeah. Smarty ass. Let's push inside the cat's house. He doesn't look really entertained, but he's always like that. He belonged to a guy who passed away when he was 18 in a crash car. In a car crash. Oh God. Anyway. In a car crash, yeah. And he got an orphan. He became an orphan, and now we got him. He's trying to say, hi! Hi, yeah! That's the string! That's the string, baby! Yay! So that's it. I promised. Look at that. Look at that. I gotta show you that. I was about to end the video. Look at that. That's what kittens do. Yeah. They jump around all the time. That's what they do. Here comes Pushkin again. As I told you, he can't see me with the other cats because he gets jealous. Yeah. He gets jealous. He's jealous. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, that wasn't very funny. Okay? I don't want you guys, you know, fighting. Because we're cooler than that. Look. Oh, yeah. Mom's time. And yeah. Sleeping Hilk. Hilk. Say hi with those beautiful eyes. Come on. Hilk. Yeah, baby. That's you. Yeah. Catherine. Catherine. Say hey. Bye-bye. So those are my cats. Stay with them. Baran? Baran? Say bye. Bye-bye.